Good day, Sir Madam. I am Norly Joy Geronimo, 38 years old, single mother, blessed with 3 children. My eldest is 21 years old, my second is 18 years old, and my youngest is 8 years old. I am a high school graduate. My father was already deceased and my mother is a housewife. I have 2 siblings, 1 brother and 1 sister. I worked in Malaysia for 1 year and 5 months, 2012 to 2013. My main duties are washing the clothes, cleaning the house, washing dishes, cooking, and taking care of the children, ages 15 years old to 3 years old. And I also worked in Saudi Arabia for 3 years and 5 months, 2016 to 2019. I have served 6 members of the family, 2 adults and 4 children. The eldest is 21 years old, the second is 18 years old, the third is 16 years old, and the youngest is 8 years old. My main duties are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, ironing the clothes, cooking, and taking care of the 8 years old daughter. That's all. Thank you.